I'm gonna screencast a video demo that shows how to use our new app called Merchant Mind. We will go through onboarding flow and core functionalities. Okay, let's dive in. First, we are gonna install our app on a development store that I already created and filled with some development products. Okay, let me select the store. For this one, I will use Merchant My Test Store, and I clicked on Install App, and it redirects me to a informative web page. Here, I see what this will product collect and what kind of permissions I will give in the next page. So I click on Authorize and Install App, and then I came back to Admin Shopify, and here I will see what kind of data it will collect, and then I will click on install. When I click on install, it redirects me to the admin dashboard of my Shopify app called Merchant Might. Here I can see some advanced analytics and informative dashboards, and also I can manage some merchandising and some other kind of things. At first install, I need to click on Sync All Products button in order to make the products of the store visible to the application. And after this click on button, I will no longer need this one because our app will have a webhook for the new and updated products. Okay, I clicked on sync, and now it is syncing all the products I have. After this step, in order to really use this app, I will have to make some adjustments on my template. So, and in this step, as I can see that total products indexed and total images indexed, indexing syncing product step is successfully done. Now I will go to the customize template section. Here I will have to do just a little things like opening up enhanced header search here. Since I installed this one before, it is already opened. And also in the section, I will have to select the search page, and then I will need to activate the Merchant Mites search and filter section. And I can make the default search results invisible. In this step, let me go through the development store and see the effects of our new application on live action. So I click on search button. I can select a image to make a search, and I can also write something here, like I can write latte. Even if I don't have any products related to latte, thanks to AI and vector search capabilities, we can actually show some results. So this application's policy was to provide non-zero search results always. And for this one, it seems like it succeeds, this policy. And in this page, we also have some filters and facets that can be used by the user, and they are very informative. Now, let's click on this product here, ceramic coffee siphon. And now, with thanks to our app, we also have product recommendations here. Like you might also like section. This section actually provides a very similar items by their vectors. And just for you section provides user interactions, and we are making a personalized product recommendations here. And then let me make another search. And this time I searched for Saipon. And then I will click on this product here. As you can see, since I made 2 times search for siphons and clicks, just for this section actually made more importance on siphon kind of products. And this is the general summary of the recommendations part. And then we can also make a image search. Like this one. When I uploaded an image, it automatically redirected me to search result page, and it tries to find some products that is somewhat relevant to the image, and then we are showing them to the user. And in this step, we can go back to the admin dashboard. We can see some analytics, and also we can try to manage some merchandisings. Let me refresh this page. Some components took some time because we are actually making some on-the-fly analytics here, like search conversion rate, recommendations clicks, top search term, and zero result rate, etc. We can manage synonyms here, like if a customer search for kahve, which is coffee in some another language, we can map it to coffee. And if I search for kahve now in the store, it will use coffee actually. Also, we can make redirections, like if a user search for privacy, we can return them to privacy page. And let me try this. Okay, I couldn't write it. Yes. And then I will make a search for kahve. Okay. And then we can try to pin some products to some search terms, like red. If a user search for red, we can pin some products like this. And then when a user search for red, they will see these 3 products at top. Also, we can do something similar with the recommendations overrides. Now, after this one, I want to show these products as recommendations. Now let's try this one. Yes, the order is correct. And then for this one, let me see if the overridden recommendation is correct. It seems like it is correct already. So this is the overall flow for installing and using this app. Thank you.